Piaget, a name synonymous with elegance, innovation, and artistic daring. And Andy Warhol, the king of pop art, the man who turned everyday life into high art. Now, nearly 50 years after Warhol acquired his own Piaget, these two creative worlds collide once again. This is the Piaget Andy Warhol Watch Collage Limited Edition, a celebration of design, art, and legacy. Back in the 1970s, Piaget wasn't just making watches, it was creating wearable art. From vibrant stone dials to sculptural gold cases, the brand became a favorite among artists, collectors, and social icons. Among them, Andy Warhol himself. The artist owned 7 Piaget watches, most notably a 45mm yellow gold cushion-shaped piece he purchased in 1973. Fast forward to today, Piaget has officially partnered with the Andy Warhol Foundation for the Visual Arts, and this limited edition timepiece brings that connection full circle, blending Swiss craftsmanship with pop art expression. The Andy Warhol Watch Collage captures Warhol's spirit through abstraction, not imitation. Its dial is a vivid composition of black onyx, yellow Namibian serpentine, pink opal, and green chrysoprase, arranged in a striking marquetry inspired by Warhol's 1986 Polaroid collage self-portrait. The result? A mosaic of color and contrast, subtle yet bold, refined yet undeniably expressive. All set within a 45mm yellow gold case, echoing the watch Warhol himself once wore. Flip it over, and the solid caseback reveals an engraved Warhol collage motif, a hidden tribute to the master of visual storytelling. Inside beats the Piaget Caliber 501P1, an ultra-thin automatic movement, just 3.63mm thick, running at 4 Hz with a 40-hour power reserve. It's mechanical artistry that stays true to Piaget's legacy of ultra-thin innovation. Limited to only 50 pieces worldwide, each watch comes on a green alligator leather strap with a matching gold pin buckle. At 67,000 CHF, it's not just a timepiece, it's a collector statement, uniting the worlds of haute joaillerie and pop culture in one golden frame. From the wrist of an icon to the hands of today's collectors, the Piaget Andy Warhol Watch Collage Limited Edition proves that true art, just like true style, never fades.